welcome back to my channel and welcome to Wedding Wednesday. This is my mini series where I talk all things wedding related leading up to my wedding, which is so close. Oh my gosh. This is a video that I am super excited to share with you guys because I feel like it's a little bit unique for somebody to do this. It is not customary for the bride to buy her bridesmaids gifts for her bachelorette party. Typically, it's the other way around. Typically, bridesmaids will buy the bride like lingerie for her bachelorette party and it's given to her like before they go out. Not that you wear lingerie at your bachelorette party, but that's just what's gifted to you. Like that's just customary tradition, blah, blah, blah. So I thought it would be fun to buy my bridesmaids gifts for my bachelorette party, just to kind of thank them for coming, thank them for spending all the time and the money to come and celebrate with me. I am doing a destination bachelorette party. We're going to Nashville, which is halfway across the country for most of my bridesmaids. I was gonna say bridesmaids, what the heck? Bridesmaids, for me, it's just one state away. It's still a 7-hour drive, but yeah, so it's a big thing for them to spend all this time and money to come and celebrate with me. Nashville's been a place that I have always wanted to visit. It's been a bucket list item for me as well as some of my friends, and so I think it just really makes sense for us to go there. But needless to say, I wanted to kind of thank them and give them a gift. So I put together the perfect gift, at least what I think is a perfect gift for them. I bought all of these things from various places. I will be sure to link everything down below for you. A lot of these are Etsy shops, so I will link the specific Etsy shop down below for you so that you can check them out. But I put together, and I actually haven't put them together yet, the pieces are all sitting in front of me on the floor, like the ultimate hangover kits. Which I am so excited for, inclusive of pajamas and facial masks and just every single thing you could think of. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I put together for my bridesmaids. By the way, this video is going up after my bachelorette party. I wanted to be sure not to spoil any surprises. I'm definitely a gifter. Gifting is definitely my love language, but what I hate most is spoiling the gifts. I always want to tell people like, oh, I got this for you, but like, I never want them to know. I want them to anticipate it. But anyways, nobody knows I'm giving them gifts. Nobody thinks I'm giving them gifts. So this is gonna be just a really exciting like, hey, thanks for coming, here's a gift. So anyways, as you can tell, I'm getting really excited about this. So yeah, I'm gonna hop in and show you what I got. First things first, and the biggest part of the ultimate hangover kit is pajamas. So I picked these up from an Etsy shop called, oh, there's a tag on them. Oh, she even has tags, fancy, called Before the I Do's. So I'm gonna link it down below for you. She has tons of super cute like wedding stuff. She was super responsive to emails. Anyway, she also made custom shirts for me. This was the only shop that I could find pajama pants for. There's lots of Etsy shops where you can get customized pajama shorts. Okay, why is my lighting so bright? I don't know what's going on with the lighting, sorry about that. But yeah, you can get lots of like bride squad shorts, but pants are hard to find. This was the only shop I could find them on. So anyways, the shirts say Bride Squad, which I thought was so cute. She actually customized these for me because the default just says squad, but I wanted it to say Bride Squad. I guess squad because then you could use it for like cheer squads. I don't really know. But Bride Squad, and I got like this kind of orchid hot pink glitter on them, which I think is so stinking cute. And then the pants are plaid, which is my favorite, and they are customized with their names right here. So this one has an E on it for my future sister-in-law. Her name is Erin. So this one has a little E on it, but this has like silver thread. I don't know if you can tell at all, but the hot pink and the silver thread. And I thought pants would be a really good idea because Nashville is actually kind of cold right now. It gets into like the 40s and 50s at nighttime, so I figured pants would be good also to kind of like lounge in. We're getting an Airbnb so we can kind of lounge around and before we go out, drink our mimosas, get ready in some pants. So yeah, these are super cute. They have pockets and they're so high quality. Sometimes when you get stuff from Etsy, you never quite know what to expect, and sometimes you get like really rinky-dinky things, especially when you buy clothing. Sometimes it's like really bad fabric, but these are really high quality. I mean, like this is something that you would find at like, I don't know, like Abercrombie and Fitch, I don't know. I also think that they are women's sizes, which I was a little worried about because the shop didn't say. And so I was like, okay, I'm gonna order all these things in assuming that they're women's sizes, and then if I get them in their junior sizes, it's not gonna fit anybody. But I think these are definitely women's sizes, so I'm super pumped about this. I'm super excited to give this to them. I got a pair for me as well that say bride on them. The reason why I think these are women's sizes is because I ordered a medium. I would typically order a small, but I was like on the fence. So I ordered a medium, and it seems like it's gonna be a little bit too big for me. It's pajamas, so it's totally fine. But yeah, and then I ordered the pants that have a little M on them. So I think that'll be really cute to just kind of match with our pajamas. To go along with the pajamas, I also got sleeping masks. These I got from Amazon. Randomly enough, I got them from Amazon, and they say bride for me, of course, and then I do crew, which I think is really cool. I do crew. So I got a bunch of these. Bride, I do crew. I don't know, I've never used a sleep mask before, but if you're like hungover or whatever, these might be great. I also picked up sheet masks. So these are one of my favorite hydrating sheet masks from the brand Leaders. They're called What Happened Last Night, which I think is like perfect, right? Like bachelorette party, what happened last night? Like, I actually came up with this idea of giving them hangover kits like pretty much right after I got engaged. And this was one of the things that sparked my idea of getting them for them, because I was an avid user of What Happened Last Night, and then I was like, oh my god, what happened last night? Hydrating. So it's radiance and revitalizing, which I think will be perfect for the morning after to kind of refresh our skin, get it all plumped and hydrated and ready to go out and do it all over again. The last thing for my ultimate hangover kit is these little mini hangover bags. So I put these together myself. I bought all of the pieces separately from Target, and I put them in the bag. The bag I got from Amazon with these masks right here. I bought these together, but I didn't realize that Etsy has a whole bunch of like hangover kit bags that you could buy that you could like customize, put with your own thing on it. This one is very general. It says hangovers only last a day, memories last forever. And then it says recovery kit on the bottom. So still super cute, perfect for bachelorette party. But yeah, the bags are from Amazon, and they were relatively inexpensive. And then inside of the bags, I stuffed it with a whole bunch of stuff that I thought would be perfect to kind of, you know, get over your hangover. So the first thing is a granola bar by Lara Bar. These are miniature. I had a really hard time finding miniature granola bars, believe it or not. The only ones I can find were Lara Bars, and then Kind also makes miniature, which I ended up not having enough space for these, but Kind makes little mini bars as well. So I didn't want to do full size because I had a feeling the bags were going to be too small, which they are. So I got mini Lara Bars, and then I got travel-sized Tums. Gonna need those. I got some Emergency. Emergency is like, I love Emergency. I use Emergency every single day, but these are, they seem like they're specific for hangovers. So one of them is the Hydration Plus Emergency, and then there's a Electrolyte Replenisher Emergency. I think I put a couple of those in here. Yeah, threw a couple of those in here. Those will be really good to help hydrate. I also have some Advil, which you know we're all gonna need, chapstick, and then some gum. So I stuffed, oh my god, I'm combining words. I wanted to say shove and stuffed, and I said stuffed. I stuffed all of those in these little bags, and then my plan is to kind of put them all together in a box and give it to them as like a one big kit. So I can show you, I ordered my packaging or my boxes for them from the Container Store. Now the boxes were actually probably the hardest thing for me to find. I wanted a quality box. I didn't want like a little rinky-dink gift box. So the only place I could find one that wasn't rinky-dinky was the Container Store. And this is what I ended up getting. They come all flattened out like this, and then you just kind of fold them like this and like this. I don't know if they're magnetized. Oh yeah, they are. Perfect. They're $10 each, but I feel like it's really worth it to have a quality box. The way you present a product, I feel like really means a lot. So I got these boxes, and then for the inside, I got these little kind of, oh, you can't see that because it's so bright, the little like wormy stuffing thingies. I got pink and white, and then ribbon to put around the box itself. So I think these are going to be really super cute. I did also get, ooh, one more thing that isn't necessarily a part of the Hangover kit, but I thought it would be really cute to have these. I think what I'm going to end up doing is going to the liquor store and buying like little teeny shots, like those little bottles of shots, and putting them in here. And then I have the cello bags. Ooh. Right here, these little like clear plastic cello bags, and I'm gonna put these in there and tie them up, and maybe I'll put them in the Hangover box, you know, just because, why not? But yeah, these I got from an Etsy shop. They say, raising a little hell before the wedding bells, Melissa's Bachelorette weekend in Nashville. And there's a little cowboy hat right there. These are color changing, which I think is so cool. So once you put cold in them, they turn hot pink, which I think is awesome. Yeah, these are white right now because it's hot. I was like, that's why I blew on it. But yeah, once you put ice in them, they turn hot pink, which is so cool because who doesn't love color changing things, right? But they do sell these. You can make them say whatever you want on them. They sell them in non-color changing ones. I'll link this Etsy shop down below too because I think they're super cute. But yeah, so I think I'm gonna end up buying like little shots, putting them in here, tying them up, and throwing them in with the Hangover kit. Alright guys, well that is it for this Wedding Wednesday video. If you gave your bridesmaids and friends gifts on your bachelorette party, let me know what you gave them down below, just because I think it's so fun. And if you're somebody who is looking for something like this for your bachelorette party, maybe you can get more ideas from what other people gave their friends. So again, this is not required. If you are planning a wedding, do not feel like you have to give your friends gifts for your bachelorette party, but it is a nice way to kind of say thank you. Thank you for celebrating with me and spending time and money and whatever. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any more ideas for Wedding Wednesday, let me know what you'd like to see down below so that I can film that for you. Also, I can't remember if I mentioned this at the beginning of the video, but if you have questions for me about my wedding, make sure you leave them in the comment section down below because I will be filming a Q&A video after my wedding where I answer all of your questions. So definitely leave those down below as well. Okay, that's it. Talk to you next time. Bye.